Hey guys, this is Epson EcoTank ET-5150. This printer is multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, and scan. What I want to do is to show you how to print document from your mobile phone to this printer. First of all, you need to make sure your printer and mobile device are connected to the same network. And to print document, you go to My Files, select My Files, then select Documents, then select the document you want to print out, gently tap on it, then you wait for the document to open. This is the document that I want to print out, 2 pages document. Gently tap on the document, go on top and select the 3 dots, then scroll down and select Print. You will see this app with blue color app. Then you scroll down to select the correct printer, Epson ET-5150 series. Select on it. Then you wait for the printer to be ready. You will see a yellow icon. Select how many copies and color. We want to print this document double-sided, long edge, and the orientation is portrait. Then you select, and document is A4. Then you select Print. Now this document is printing. Printing complete. Do not touch printed surface until the ink has dried. Then you take your print out. This is the document we printed out, double-sided. This is the long edge. So this is how to print document from a mobile phone to this printer. So another way to print your document is for you to go to Epson Smart Panel. This is Epson Smart Panel, and this is the printer. So you have option for you to print documents, scan, capture, document capture. So select Print. Then you select Print Documents. You select the document that you want to print out. So tap on the document. This is the document that I want to print out, and this one is 1 of 1. So you select the settings. You select the size of the paper, A4 paper, and also plain paper, layout, borders. So you have borders, and print quality standard, casket 1, and to print this document black and white, and also 2-sided printing is off. Print date is off. You select how many copies, then select Done. Go on top and select Done, then select Print. So now this document is printing 1 page, black and white, A4 paper. Printing complete. So you take the paper. This is the document you printed out, black and white. Then close it. These are ways to print document from your mobile phone to this printer. This printer deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.